Hello and welcome. I would like to introduce the NuCam 720p with the newly developed app called NuCam. This is the box or packaging with the camera inside. This is the sticker that contains your camera's ID and your camera's default login passcode. You will need these later on to complete your installation. This is our user manual. This updated manual will tell you how to install and how to use the new app called NuCam. If you cannot find an updated manual, you can always send us an email and request a copy. So let us take the camera out of its packaging. Here is the base extender in case you need to adjust the angle and the view for your camera. Before you install the camera, it's best to write down your camera's ID and passcode and to remove the sticker and keep it handy. Here the sticker shows the ID as being NU720819132 and your default passcode is 9999. For the purpose of our demonstration, I'm going to install the NuCam 720p into this Wi-Fi testing box. Now when I turn on this switch, you can see the power go on. This will simulate turning on a light switch in your home or in your office. We'll wait about 2 minutes for the camera to power on. I'm going to show you how to pair the camera and the smart device by the use of the NuCam app on both an iPhone and an Android operating system. You see here I have an iPhone and an Android phone. I've already installed the app called NuCam. The LED flash you just witnessed is just a 720 showing you that it's undergoing configuration. So let's wait another minute or so. This is a Galaxy Note 3 with an Android operating system, and as you can see, there is our app called NuCam. I think we will start our demonstration with Apple's iOS operating system on an iPhone 5S. So let us start from the beginning. So here, what you see is the login page on the app for the camera. Here you type in your camera's ID name and the camera's passcode. That's the sticker I asked you earlier to please save. So you type in NU720819132 and then you enter the password, which is 9999. Tap Login. This is the help menu. You can read or skip this page at this point. Just tap here to exit. Now here you will see the camera under the device list. That's because I already tested another camera that I connected to our network. Here on this plus symbol is where you tap so that you can add your camera. Here you can name your camera whatever you would like at whatever name you want. Then you enter your camera's ID and passcode to add your camera to the list. In our case here we type NU720819132, then the default password, which is 9999, to confirm. The camera will appear in your device list now, but it shows offline. That's because it's not connected to your Wi-Fi yet. Tap the question mark and it tells you that you need to connect with the camera ID to the Wi-Fi first. This is a Wi-Fi connection to the camera. You need to set up an AP mode first. Go to the settings page on your cell phone. Go to Wi-Fi, and then you can see your camera ID in your Wi-Fi list. Now again, remember that sticker with your ID and default password. If for some reason your camera does not have a sticker with your login information, your camera ID will appear in your phone at this point on the Wi-Fi list. You can see your camera ID right here, NU720819132, and then you tap it to connect. You will want to wait about 2 minutes for the camera to recognize the Wi-Fi. Right here you can see the signal shows LTE on the cell phone. That means it's not ready yet. So you go to the NuCam app to complete the setup. When you enter the app, your camera will show that it is online. Now, let us return to the original page where the instructions are in the app itself. While doing this, you can see the signal change from LTE to the Wi-Fi signal. This means the device has now recognized the camera. The next step is to connect your home or office Wi-Fi to the camera. Tap to connect Wi-Fi. Here is where you find your home or office Wi-Fi network and name, and you enter your network's password. I'm going off screen to enter our password here. Again, if you don't have the new updated manual, contact us by email and we'll get one to you. Okay, so I have entered my password. After you enter your network password, you will see a prompt to confirm the connection. This will take about 2 minutes for the camera and the Wi-Fi to configure. Here you can see where it is prompting me to confirm. So we press to confirm, and you can see that the camera is online. If you tap on it, you will see the live video feed. And here we're going to tap on it, and you'll see the live video feed. All right, this will take a couple of seconds. As you can see, it's thinking. And what we're waiting for is something that will be very quite evident. You'll see the LED flash. There you go, right there. The NuCam is going through self-configuration. This is the other camera, but it is turned off, which is why it says offline on the NuCam app. Okay, so let us turn this one on. For the purpose of our demonstration, I have already connected and configured this camera to the Wi-Fi network. Now you can see the camera will come online in the app. With this app, you can install up to 10 cameras on your device or phone. Okay, the light flashed. That means the camera is going through its self-configuration and has become available. Just tap to view your camera's live feed. Here at the bottom of the screen, you can choose to save your video either to your micro SD card or to your cell phone's memory or your device's memory. You can also turn the LED lights on or off from here. Now this app was just released. We are working on this button for audio as well. An update will be coming very, very soon. If the camera is not level, you can twist it a little to get the correct position. If it shows the picture upside down, tap the flip button to correct the position. There you go. Okay, now let's go back in the app. On the home page, there are more functions. Tapping this cogwheel will take you to the advanced settings. In the advanced settings, you can modify your login password for your privacy. You can also select the camera to record in HD, and that would be 720p. And the Wi-Fi setting is already configured. The most frequently used option is the recording settings. Here you can set for the camera for a loop recording, and you can also set your motion detection and sensitivity. I already put a micro SD card inside the camera. So here you can set the video size, the file size, to either 50 or up to 100 megabytes for each event. These events are the files that are overwritten on a loop. On continuous loop, your camera will overwrite the oldest recording. You can also turn on or off the audio recording option. If you need to format the microSD card, you can do so here by using your app instead of removing the microSD card and formatting it with your computer. Another feature to show you is the alarm setting. You want to make sure that the motion detection is turned on. You can turn on motion detection here under Alarm Settings. Tap and save to confirm. Okay, let's go back to the default menu of your NuCam app. You can send us feedback here. You also have a help button. You can also turn on or off your push notifications. Your phone will notify you, or your device will notify you. As you can see, it's pretty easy, and you can install more cameras simply by using the plus sign symbol we spoke about earlier. Now I should mention, and this is important, if you move the camera to another environment, you will need to use a paper clip in the shape of a pin or a pin to push the reset button to make the IP address of your camera visible in your device or cell phone Wi-Fi list. This reset button will return the camera to its default settings. Now you can see both cameras are online. Tap to see the second camera. Flip the video feed. Now you can see both cameras. Here you can see the feed. Here I'll try to make it so that you can see it. Here are both cameras, and you can see the feed on both. Now when you use a pin to push the reset button, you will find that reset button here. It looks like a pinhole. It's here on the side of the camera. Let me dislodge this and show it to you. There it is. Here's the reset button on the camera. Make sure the power is on while you're pushing the reset. Hold the button for 15 seconds. And when you hear a click, your camera has returned to the factory default settings. You will have to do the setup process all over again. Now you have a true DIY security camera. You don't have to run wiring through your home, you won't have to drill any holes, and you don't have to pay any monthly fees for having your own surveillance system. All with an easy setup straight to your cell phone or tablet. All our products come with a 1-year no-hassle warranty and service. All right, if you have any questions, just send us an email or drop us a comment below. Also, don't forget to like our NuVending YouTube channel and subscribe. You can also contact us through Facebook or through the NuVending.com website. You can also check out the links below in the description. Thank you and enjoy.